Alright, to remove your wiper blade on the back of your, this happens to be a 2008-2009 Ford Taurus X, but I'm sure many others share this same setup. If you want to just swap out your blade, from what I can tell, because this only pulls out this far, not far enough to be able to pivot the blade to get it off of that hook there. So you'll have to remove the entire wiper arm. Very easy to do. You see that little slot, little notch right there. You know, use something, you can use a flat screwdriver or something like that. Just pry that little cap off. Might take a little manipulating, and then you'll remove that nut right there. Okay, remove that nut, and then once you have the arm off, there'll be a little tab, little black tab. You see it right inside there in the middle. You can barely see it in the darkness. You'll push that out with a little flat screwdriver, or even your ignition key or whatever. I used my ignition key, honestly. You just push inside there with a flat screwdriver. Then once you remove the arm, you can just pivot the blade off and it'll come right off. And these are one of the conventional style hooks, unlike the front wipers, which are some space age whatever new thing. These are the standard style on the back though, so not that big a deal to reinstall the new one. Just reverse what you've done and put the arm back on, tighten that nut back down, put the cap, little cap back on. Make sure it's, you know, level from the start, and you're off and running. Alright, 2008-2009 Ford Taurus X, but this will be for many other Ford models, I'm sure. So check us out, we'll be doing more of this car soon. Thanks.